Yo guys, Nathan back with another video. What today I'm gonna be opening FIFA 18 Ultimate Team packs for you guys, and FIFA 18's I have it. And by the way, shout out to my friend Tunde. Shout out to everybody who like my videos. I just do this for fun, and yeah. So let's get into the packs. So first pack I'm gonna open is let's see, 100k pack. It's 80. Oh my god! In the first pack of the video. No. You're actually lying. Is that Maldini? That's Maldini. Oh my god. Oh my. And an inform. This is actually unreal. I was not expecting that at all. Holy. Oh, sorry about that. Special card. Oh my lord. My best pack is that. That's just unreal. A Maldini in the first pack. Second pack is a non-rare. Winner. Okay, let's see who's in our second. Oh, it's a border. Ah. It's Carvo. I don't even know how to pronounce the name, really. Okay. Okay. I really want a red card. Well, you know what I mean, but like that. I don't know what it's called. I think it's man of the match. I don't know what it is. Okay. It has 91 pesos. That's fast. Okay. It's a border. Pepe? Pepe. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. But he used to play for Real Madrid, so like, yeah. Who's this? Ew, 78 rate. Oh, okay, an inform. With 68 dribbling, I really want to sell that. If it was a duplicate. I want a good border. I want a good border. Give me a good border. Oh. Okay, I'm getting duplicates. Okay, that's good. That's a good thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, for a minute, you know who I thought it was? A Batman. Okay. Let's just keep opening these packs. They're not gonna give us a border. Why does it matter? And then they give us like 3 borders so far. Or 2. But first pack Maldini, don't believe it. An inform, which is 73. Why do they make the inform so like low rated? What? Okay, inform. It's a border. It's horrible. Okay, 2 informs. That's good. That's decent. Give me something. Who's this? Marcelo. Fake Marcelo. Bruh. They're giving me the worst informs. Give me better informs. Please be Bruh, Chelsea players. Why are you giving me a Chelsea player? Oh yes, it's a border. Who is it? Lamar. He's good. He is good, and he's like a beast in real life. I'm actually serious. He's so good in real life. Okay. Wow. He's probably like our second best player. Second best border, I don't know. It's a border again. Please. Lloris? Yes! 88 rated Lloris. And Bailey. Okay, that's a decent pack. packs are another border. Who's this? Who is this? I don't know who that is. Who cares? It's another border. Okay. Oh, DeFalo. He's a Barcelona man. What's this? He has 70. He actually had 70. Oh my gosh, I never knew that. DeFalo, you let me down. I thought he had like 80, like 78 at least. It was like Pogba. We got Pogba with 45 shooting. It's actually a fun game, really. It's an inform, please. It's not a border, so it's 80. Oh, okay. The inform is a duplicate. Border, please. Sinclair. Border. Cahill, but he's a Chelsea player. Danilo. Bro, the guy got downgraded. Bro, okay. All these packs are good, man. I need a good pack. Just give me a good pack, please. Boy, he doesn't play for Arsenal anymore. Border! Lewandowski? I thought it was Lewandowski. I would actually go crazy if it was Lewandowski, but it's not. Yes! How is that Mandzukic? I thought it was going to be like a Modric Rakitic. These packs are trash. Who's this? Santos. Give me someone high rated. Give me a border. Right forward Hazard. Wow. I've never seen a right forward Hazard before. Give me a border. Healing. Wait a minute. Can I open Oh yeah, okay. Sorry about that, guys. That was just my screen recorder. Oh, okay, I can open another 100k back. I didn't really rate the app. Please don't be a waste. Please don't be a Thiago. Yes! We got a good man, Thiago. Oh my gosh, we got Thiago. 2 informs in one pack. And it's Thiago. Oh my god. Bruh. I'm so happy. What's 5k? Okay, nothing. Okay, let's see. Come on. I need a good player, please. Just give me a good player, please. That's all I'm asking for. I mean, that Thiago is pretty good. My packs were good in the FIFA 17 ones, but not in FIFA 18. FIFA 18 people are like players are very low rated, very low rated. Oh my God, we got a no, 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 piss off, no. No, 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 no. This is not happening. Oh my, I just packed Pele. I've just packed, oh my flippin', Jesus Christ, I just packed Pele. I might have to end it here. That's it. Only Brazilian. No, that can't be Pele. I thought it was like Roberto Carlos, something else. Jesus Christ! Sorry for saying piss off. I was just so happy. I'm so sorry for saying that. Oh my Lord. I think it has to end here, really. I'm so sorry. Actually, oh my goodness. You're lying! You're lying! You're lying! Okay, never mind. Okay, the troll came. First I thought it was Suarez, then I thought it was Godin, but it was Jimenez. I'm sorry. Okay, that troll came. That troll. That just trolled me off so bad. Give me a good player. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do a no looker, leave the room pack. Sell my duplicates, then press and leave. Give me someone good. What do I get? A 78 rated. Thank you. Okay. Please, just give me a border. Guys, I think I have to end it here. Let's do like 5 more packs. And then it's done, honestly. That Pele just like literally. So 5th pack. Let's just go to the 4th pack. 4th last pack. Okay. If we get another thing, what's it called? Oh my God! Can it be good? Okay. First I thought it was icon, but no. Okay, last pack of the video, and it's a non-rare. Okay, guys, hope you enjoy this FIFA 18 pack opening. Okay, let's just open one more pack. Just one more. Okay, it's the same. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe for more packs. And, yeah. Banana Bear out. Peace.